morning, kindergarten friends, and welcome. This week, we are starting to do math. So this week, every day, you're gonna watch a short video of a teacher that's gonna show you what we're working on in math. So we'll practice these activities all together, and then what we don't finish on the video, you're gonna go and do on Seesaw on your own. I'll show you exactly how this works today. So today, you have 3 activities that you're going to do. We're going to start with number 1 right now. So for your first activity, you need to start at the number 1 and count all the way up to the number 20. You have a hundreds chart right here that can help you. So I know I'm starting at 1 and moving to 20. So watch me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going down to the next row, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I can stop counting there since I'm at 20. Now I want you to try with me. We're going to count all together. We're starting at 1 and going to 20. Ready, set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Nice job, friend. That's all you have to do for job number 1. We've already got that down. Let's move on to activity 2. So in activity number 2, my friends, we're focusing on shapes and colors. So in this activity, you are going to color each of the shapes a certain color. Here are the colors that you're going to use for each shape. You are going to color all of the circles red. You are going to color all of the squares orange. You are going to color all of the triangles green. You're going to color all of the rectangles purple, and then you will color all of the hexagons yellow. So now that we know what colors we're using, we're going to start coloring the shapes. I want to color a couple first to show you what you do. After I finish, you guys will get to do the rest of the activity on your own on Seesaw. So let's look at this shape right here. What shape is that? Yeah, it's a circle. And if I go up and look at my code right here, I know I'm coloring circles red. So I'm gonna grab my red pen and color this in. Perfect. Let's look at this shape right here. Kindergarten, what shape is that? Yeah, that's a triangle. And I know triangles are green. So I'm gonna turn my green pen on, and then I can color my triangle green. There we go. All right, let's see. What about this shape right here? Yeah, that's a square. I know that's a square and not a rectangle because a square, all the sides are the same size. In a rectangle, there are 2 really long sides and 2 really short sides. So I'm gonna look up at my key and I see that squares are orange. So I'm gonna get my orange pen out and color my square in. All right, I just showed you a couple, but there's a lot of shapes left. After this video, you're going to finish coloring these shapes in on Seesaw. Let's move on to activity number 3. For your third and last activity today, you are going to be thinking about shapes again. So this is going to be a matching game. So here's what you need to do. You're gonna read the name of the shape on this side, and then you're gonna draw a line to the shape that it's talking about on this side. I wanna do the first 2 with you, and then we'll talk about what the shapes are that are left. So I'm gonna pull my pencil out for this tool, and I'm gonna read the first shape. The first shape is a circle. I see the word circle up on the top here. So now I need to go on this side and find the circle. Oh, there it is on the bottom. So I'm going to draw a line from the word circle down to the shape of the circle. Let's do one more together. The next word right here is square. See if you can find a square. There it is right there. So I'm going to draw a line from my word square to the picture of the square. You are going to do the last 3 on your own. The next shape that you need to do is rectangle. Do you see it? The next one is a triangle. Point to the triangle if you see it. The last one is a hexagon. Point to the hexagon. Okay, so once you're done with this video, you're gonna draw your lines to the shape, just like I did with the circle and the square. Let me show you how to get to these activities on Seesaw so you know what to do when it's your turn to work on your own.